like here.
Like that.
Part was like the showering part, but then there's a mirror here, and then there's a bathtub, and then there's a normal showering place here.
Wow. Wow. When I was young, at your age, I didn't go to any hotel until the age, maybe when I'm close to 20 years old. We didn't have money to go there. Yeah, poor thing. Yeah. Cikgu dia miskin. Okay, come. Let us try to do question number 20. 20, please. Amara, are you going on for staycation? Or staying at home? Okay, next time you staycation at my place lah. Is it okay? You can bring your adik. I fight with them on the bed, okay? But I got a feeling all I need to do is just to crush them by lying down on them. Let us see. Okay. This is which one? 20. 20 and 21 lah. 20 and 21. Now, this is a revision, okay? You got to be able to do this. Especially Miss Umaira. She's the leader. Nice hairstyle, Umaira. You look as if you're going for a jog. Are you going to go for a jog? No.
This hairstyle is a hairstyle I do every week. I just tie it in a normal ponytail.
No, normally it's not this hairstyle. This is like maybe it's your baju lah.
I'm wearing my school camp baju.
Ah, okay. So it looks as if you are going for an outing. You have gone for your P5 camp already? Oh, you got no camp this year. Was there a camp this year? Got. Where do you go?
I went camping, and then I got these pants, and this shirt was from school. And then like when we did like kayaking, crabbing.
Where is that? East Coast.
Like
Changi.
no, I know the name of the place, but I forgot the name. But I have like the whole script. I can it's called, what's it called?
Downtown East.
Oh, Downtown East is at Pasir Ris, and that's a swimming pool. That's a swimming place.
There's a beach nearby. Okay, never mind. Come, let's come to question 2021. Let us see. I think don't say out answer this. Amara, Umaira. Amara, Umaira. You sound as if your names are like sisters lah. Amara, adik Umaira.
Huh?
Amara itu adik Umaira. Oh, you cannot speak Malay, you can only speak Mandarin, you know, Amara. Amara, she can only speak Mandarin. She doesn't know what we are. You can speak. What did I say? What did I say? Amara tu adik Umaira. She doesn't know. I say Amara.
You just said Amara's my little sister.
Yes. Okay. So show the little sister the answer lah. What's your answer? Come, send your answers. Come.
Okay.
Don't say out answer. Amara, what's your answer? Have you finished, Amara? What happened to Naomi?
I don't always forget odd numbers and even numbers.
Odd is 13597, 13579, ending with 13579. So in this case, can end with 3 or 1.
Okay.
But you want the smallest number here.
Okay, I send you already.
So fast.
What do you mean so fast?
Cannot start with 0.
Oh yeah. Wait, then I got the answer.
What about Amara? Adik Amara, come on. What's your answer, Adik Amara?
Done.
Okay, well done. So Amara, you know the ending, odd, odd must be one of these number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in this case, you have 3 and 1. If you want it to be the smallest number, you should start the smallest number here. So Umaira started at 0, but you cannot start at 0. Because we don't write number one. Number one is 001. No, we don't write that way, right? So you start, the next smallest number is 1. And then you got to end with 3 because it got to be an odd number. So you arrange the next smallest number here. Now here will be 0. And then 4.
Right.
And 6. Don't write, don't write. There's only 2 of you. Okay, come. We try the next one. What is that you are circling?
I wanted to write 6.
Okay, can we try question 21 now? 21. Question 21. Very easy. All these you are supposed to get it right. So we are going to move on to the tougher questions.
Wait. I want to do on my whiteboard.
Okay, do in your whiteboard, please. You even have a drum there behind you. I'm so envious. When I was young, I didn't have any toys.
That's actually supposed to be mine, but I don't play drums, so it's my brother's. I gave it to him. And he just had his drum class yesterday. For some reason, I feel like you're muted.
I'm muted?
No?
No, I was swallowing food. Mara, can Mara?
Amara or Umaira? I cannot hear.
Amara. Hers is more South American. Amara.
No, hers sound like Malay.
Malay?
Yeah.
All come from Arabic. Arabic. Well, let us see whether you're right. Okay. So, okay, your first. Okay, we wait for the thing, but you don't take the same one. You have gotten the first one, Amara, correct? Take the next one. Take a next different one.
Yeah,
the next different one.
I almost got it.
Yeah. So you okay? Can you show your board again? Show your board. Amara, you look at the board. Don't take 12 plus 12. You must go to the next one. 12 plus the next one. Yes. And go. Thank you. Because the one first 2, no?
Got it.
Okay. No. How come you plus 2 from 18 become 20? You going plus 2?
Wait, I thought it was 2 times table for 1 second.
Oh. And then the 3 also can get 2.
Okay, now I got it.
Okay, but remember, I know you're going to show me, but they ask you this. So what is the answer down here? They said this.
Wait, I'm not done. I'm done.
What's your?
Wait.
No. How come you get 24? First 2, don't take the second 2. First 2, first and second. 12 plus 24.
Oh, now I get it.
Okay. Can Amara? Amara. What's the next one? Down here is, yes. Okay, well done. Amara, down here 12, right? 12. Well done, Umaira. The next one is 24, Amara. So you must plus these two. Mara, 12 plus 24. Mara, down here you must, because the next one is 24. So you must plus like that. Don't take 12 plus 12 or 24 plus 24. Not that way. You'll get 36. Can get 36, right, Amara? Okay, again? Okay, we move on to the next one, okay? And the next one we go to slightly tougher, slightly tougher. This is
Why what problem?
okay. Have you learned perimeter? Angles, hold on. You have learned angles already, right?
Yeah.
Can you find what is angle S? But when you do this, you must read. They tell you ABC is a right angle. ABC is here. This is a right angle.
Wait, don't tell us.
Okay, you do then. You do. You must read it, huh?
I want to draw it out so it's easier for me.
Okay.
Okay, now this is confusing.
That's why they tell you R is twice of S. How many S angle can you get in R? R is twice of S. Change the R into S. How many S can you get? Angles. R is twice of S. Okay, I hope you guys, okay, you girls, okay. R is twice of S. That means R is 2 times of S. So I can put 2 S angles inside here. Alamak, cannot draw properly lah. I can put 2 S angles here, something like that. So this one S, another S. So you know how to do now. Imagine there's no R. Because they said twice of S, so you can put 2 S here. So how to find? Yes, thank you. Straight line. You can become a teacher for Zoom. Yeah. You grow up, you become a teacher, okay, Myra? You'll be an excellent teacher. Why you do want? What do you want to be when you grow up?
I also don't know.
You become a teacher lah. Become a teacher. Amara, you want to become a teacher also, Amara? Yes. No. Okay, so you can see now. You know how to do? This thing down here is 90 degrees. You minus the 54, you get an answer. That answer equals to 1, 2, 3 S angles.
So 90 minus 54.
Okay, then after that, you get your answer. I do the working for you. You get 36. So 36 is equals to how many S angles? There's 1, 2, 3. Can you find 1 S angle? Because 3 S angles is 36.
36 divided by 3.
Well done. 36 divided by 3. Okay. So how much will you get? You can divide like that now. Sometimes you can divide easily. 3 divided by 3 is how many? How much? 1, huh? 6 divided by 3?
Can Amara answer?
Amara, 6 divided by 3
6 divided by 2. Can Amara answer?
is 2. So your answer is 12 degrees, like that. If you don't believe, you must write the degrees. If you don't believe, you write 12 on here. 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36. So you must remember our Singapore questions are quite a little bit tough, you know. At primary 4, you all are doing this sort of questions. In other countries, you will not. In fact, I just came back from Cambodia, you know, it's so simple. The question is just so simple. It's like length times breadth, and that's it. So,
How is that fair?
in fact, do you know, in some countries like Thailand, the exam is all MCQ, you know, right until secondary 4 or pre-U even, all MCQ. They don't write composition, no story sums. Thailand, for example, Indonesia also.
But
So,
that's so unfair.
well, unfair to who? To you or to you?
To us.
Yeah, but then you'll be learning more. So when they go to the university, they have to take a separate test because the students know MCQ. Do they know how to write? We do not know. And the teachers also don't need to have headache, right? To mark composition, just like ABC, right, wrong, right, wrong, wrong. So the teachers also need to be trained, especially. Okay, can you try this? This is easy, yeah. Number 30. Number 30.
Who's screaming?
Amara's brothers.
Suddenly there was a scream. I was like, huh, who is it?
Once they come into the room, you'll find dolphins diving behind her.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you must see lah. The brothers will be diving behind her on the bed.
That's funny. But how can what? How can they dive around?
Oh, it happens. They'll be jumping up and down at the back here. Can you the back behind her to the left is the bed, you know?
Oh my god, really?
Yeah. So they'll be diving, 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 diving. Of course, if I were in her room also, I'll do the same thing.
That is a room.
Yes, it's a princess's room. Are you known as Princess Amara?
Yeah, she is.
Yes. So meet your fellow princess. That's Princess Umaira. She says, no, I'm the queen. I'm in charge of everything. Okay.
Oh, you call my mother queen.
Oh, okay. And you told your mother?
Yeah.
And that's no wonder she doesn't communicate with me anymore. She says, how dare he call me queen?
Don't say anything.
Okay, come. Question 30, come. Mara, come. It's very easy lah.
Oh, okay. Is it 950 divided by 6?
How many months are there in a year?
Divided by 12.
12. So this is what they earn in what Mrs. Lee earned in 1 month. They're asking how much she earned in 12 months. Why you divide? There's January, 950. February, 950. March, 950. Until December, 950. So how much did she earn after
950
minus 12?
times.
Yeah lah. But how come you get divide? That means your mind saying, I see the two numbers, or see two numbers, just do something with them. Don't do that. Because there are some say 950, 12. It's either minus times plus or we divide. Don't do that. Allah give us a brain, no, very powerful brain. You know that the angels were told to bow down to Nabi Adam, you know, right? Why bow down? Because the brain is very powerful. Even the jinns, they are observing us sometimes. They are wondering, they are copycats, you know. I met people who can talk to jinn. They will copy the human being.
What do you mean by people who can talk? So,
They're not bomo lah. Some people.
wait,
I have a friend.
Tell a story about that.
Yeah, I have a friend. Okay, when I went to Sarawak, I did. Okay, after this question, I'll show you the video.
Wait,
Who is
can
this?
you repeat? I didn't hear you.
Someone. I will show you the video I did. Then you can understand what I'm saying.
Someone what?
Someone you nice. I think this is Naomi lah. She got funny name. Later you see her name when she come in. You nice paprika. You nice paprika. What is that? You nice paprika. Is that you, Naomi? Yes. Okay. What is paprika? A type of chili.
Naomi didn't even answer. So how do you know it's Naomi?
It must be because every time there's funny names. The other day, her sister wrote, what? Anne Grace Macy. Okay, come. Let's try this. Come, Umaira. What's the answer? Naomi, are you there?
But how would you know it's Naomi?
Yeah, that's why we do not know. See now, it could be someone else entering in. I let them in, but why would it has most probably Naomi lah? Most probably. Naomi, is that you? Yes.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
But her voice sounds like a Megatron. You know what Megatron?
No.
It is what do you call it? Megatron, the Decepticons and. Okay, never mind. Come, we are trying. Naomi, we're at question 30.
You are going to tell us a story and then Naomi.
After 30, I tell you what I've done. The experience.
Can I use a calculator?
Don't lah. Hey, cannot lah. How can you use calculator? Aduh. How will Princess Amara feel? She says unfair. Oh, she also got calculator. Don't use calculator, Amara. So Amara smiling said, no, I didn't use. Come, Amara. You just need to find out in 12 months. This is 950 in a month. So in a year, there are 12 months. So how much is that? Come on, girls, you're taking too long. I need to show you very soon. Okay, we give you 1 minute to solve this. Huh? If you cannot, we will. Oh, someone has already sent. Not yet. Come on. Offer. They're selling durian. Amara can do, not? You nice paprika can do? Hey, nice paprika. Let's see what's a paprika. This is a chili, right? Oh, it's chili, huh? Yeah, chili. Okay, 30 seconds left. Come on. Amara can do, Amara.
Why is there like sound of little kids running around and screaming?
Is it your brother, Amara?
It cannot be.
Yes. Amara's brother, yes, coming up from the.
Sounded from me.
Okay. Let us see. So Amara has given the answer. Let us see whether it's correct. What about Miss? But Amara, you going plus it. You don't plus. Adik. Aduh. You saw now. You saw the adik there. Going up on the bed. So Amara, you plus lah, you didn't times. You must times. If you plus means 1 month she earn 950, the next month she earn $12. It cannot be lah. So imagine she worked for 12 months. Okay, so we do together. How to do this? First, you take 0 times 2, you get 0. Alamak, right? Wrong color. 0 times 2 is 0. Then after that, 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 9 times 2, 18 plus 1, 19. And then go to the next digit. When you times the next digit, you must put a 0 here. You see the space here? There's one space, right? First digit, you must put a 0 at the first digit. 0 times 1, 0 again. 5 times 1, 5. 9 times 1, 9. And then you add them together lah. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 4. Carry the 1. 14, 14. 9 plus 5 is 14, carry 1. So we carry 1. 4, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11. 11,400. Okay. This is question number 29. 1130. So I hope it's okay. 11,400. You have to write with the dollar sign. If you just write 11,400, they will mark you wrong. Okay, you have to write with the dollar sign. Okay, we move on. Can Amara, you know what to do, right, Amara? By the way, okay, so this is, if you are in case wondering about paprika, this is type of capsicum or this type of chili. I think, yeah, can you see this?
What about the story?
Oh, story. Okay, story. Yeah. Story. Okay, let me see. Okay, I told you about the gene thing, right? There was this person. Okay, I went to Sarawak and I did a documentary, and this is a documentary. The documentary is about the Dayak community and then curing people using the genes. So this is where it is. If you go to my website, you can see it lah. You can see, you can type like that. Okay, this is my website, right? Then under here, TV film media is what are the stuff that I've done. So I've done one documentary called Ukiran Melayu, Spirit of Wood. This one now, Manang. This is a story about the jinn. So so I went there and I did this documentary. Can you hear now? Can you see my name here? I'm the director here. So I just show you now what.
Kami telah
Okay, you can see what these ladies are doing. This is a doctor, no. This doctor started to study the genes to learn how to cure people.
I know two term to be
down here there.
crazy.
mana Manang
this one. Can you see not this
melaksanakan
one?
upacara mereka sambil menyembuhkan mereka yang sakit.
These are like bomo, right? No. So, but anyway, when I came back from Australia, I have a friend who can see the genes, and they say there is something following me, and then he helped me. He helped me to get rid of them. That's what he said lah. So that's the end of the story. You see, I'm telling the story. The girl who asked me to tell the story, she's writing. Don't know what she's writing. She's writing notes. How can you write notes? Yeah, I want to write notes about what you tell me.
No,
Okay. So I cut the story short because as I'm telling the story, she's writing something else. I feel so bad. Okay. I feel so sad.
Why so sad?
No one is listening to me anymore. Okay, come. The girl who asked me, especially the girl in Camp Baju and all that, she said, hey, tell us a story, promise story. The moment I start the story, she looked down, she start drawing, writing. Don't know lah, this girl. Okay, come. Question 36, come. You need to draw a model for this one. Okay, you need to draw a model for this one. And the clue is here. The clue is here. If you know how to draw this, Umara, don't draw first. We have to read the question. You are drawing something else, Umara. Don't draw something else lah, kakak. You look at kakak and Naimi. What do you draw? Oh, nothing. Okay. This yellow thing, if you can draw, you know, I gave a similar questions to teachers in other countries, in Fiji, in Thailand, in Indonesia, and they find it very difficult. Yes. So you are gonna. So because it's a different type of maths.
What
Okay,
you
what when I was your age, I didn't learn all this in school. They didn't teach. They didn't have this type of maths. See what type of maths? Model drawing. They don't have,
why?
because model drawing just came into I think in 20 years later, 1990s. So you try this, draw the model, and then you can find the answer. But you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself.
Why are you talking so deeply, voice?
Because sometimes it is not me who's talking. It is the creature that follow me from Sarawak.
No, it's you, but you're just making your voice deeper
Then how can I have so many different voices?
because you.
Just a moment. Sorry, I was saying goodbye to my children. Myra, come back, Myra.
Yeah, wait.
Why you hide behind that girl?
Wait one second.
Is she your idol or what? The girl.
No,
Who is she?
something I brought. Just kidding. Something I found online.
Oh no, but you choose that because you like her lah. I think so.
No, it's
Okay,
nice drawing.
nice story. Okay, come. Let us try this one. Let us see. Yeah, let us see. Okay, those of you who there are two. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Who are you talking to?
Now my son's telling me Happy Father's Day. So I say thank you very much. You know my sons, right?
No, we do not know.
They're now bigger than me. I'm frightened of them. Okay, but anyway, here we go. There are two numbers. So you need to draw the model. So there is a smaller number and bigger number. So you have one smaller and one bigger. But did I draw it correctly? In this case, you cannot just draw like that. You must read what they say. So what they say, the bigger number is 4 times the smaller number. So we have to draw the bigger number in a different way. Okay, let's try again. So the smaller number is like that. Okay, this is small number, SN. Big number is 4 times. So how to draw this? Amara, see, 4 times. So it's 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Can you see now? I have just drawn the bigger number is 4 times. Now you try, okay, we ask Umaira, can you label this on the screen? The difference between the two numbers is 1,368. Which part is that?
Wait,
Where are you? Come back.
wait, I'm writing it.
Oh, why are you invisible? Why are you hiding? Ah, wow. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Wait, wait.
Okay. Good, 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 good. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. So as you can see, Amara, can you see? The difference between the two numbers, this is the difference, is 1,368. Means how many units is that? 1, 2, 3. 3 units is 1,000. Can you find what is 1 unit then? You find 1 unit and you solve the question because they want to know what's 1 unit here. You find. Okay, you find what's 1 unit.
Wait, which day is Father's Day?
Today, hey, you wish your fathers lah. Make sure you go and hug your fathers.
My father is upstairs.
Yeah, later after this, go and hug him and then tell him something lah.
After this class, I'm gonna make a Ribena mojito.
Robina, okay. Okay, same thing, Amara. So you must, Amara, come try this one.
mojito.
Mojito?
Yeah, it's a Ribena mojito.
I see.
I made it with my cousin the other time and it's so good.
No.
It's basically Ribena, Sprite, and kind of a bit of sugar.
Wow.
And it's so good.
I'll try it. Come, Myra, turn on your video, Myra. Why are you turning off your video?
I'm trying to on it.
What do you mean? Okay, come. Amara, can you find 1,368 is 3 units. Find 1 unit because that's what the smaller number is. Smaller number is only 1 unit here. Aduh, adik. The adik is there. How is Amara going to study?
You know? That is why I lock my door when all my adik are already outside.
I see. Amara, can you try to do that now, Amara? Okay.
And my mother is okay with it.
But yeah, sometimes your parents may not agree. You've got to ask your parents permission. But do not lock your adik inside. Your adik do not know how to come out. That's a different thing. They'll be cruel.
If I do that, they will start crying, and then my mother will scold me.
Okay, come. Let's try this. Can get or not?
I thought Father's Day was like in 3 or 2 days.
Yeah, but I don't even remember such days. Okay, can you get it or not? Come on, come on. 1,368 divided by 30. Come on, divided by 30. You're taking too long because remember your maths paper is not whether you can do it or not. It's whether you can do it within the time given. Say I can do it, but I take 4 hours. That means won't consider a pass. Won't be considered.
For me in school, I got extra time.
Yeah, but even extra time, how much time do they give you?
Like 5 to 10 minutes.
More, yes. So even then, you need to complete your time lah. So if you have extra time, yeah, maybe you're lucky doing that. But the most important thing is actually to be able to focus. Come, Amara can divide now. What's your answer, Amara?
Everybody's class, they get extra time.
Okay, so I put on your 12 divided by 3, you get 4. You minus, you get 1. Bring down the 6 here. Okay. Then it's 15, not 16. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Oh, there's no space. Minus, you get 1. And you bring down the 8. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So the answer is 456. That is the smaller number. Okay, I hope you all get it. Now we're going to try some, okay, we move on to the next question. Let's see. Okay, this is from the Methodist girls. Okay, we won't go through this, we'll go through the next one. CHIJ St. Nicholas.
CHIJ?
You know what CHIJ stand for? Convent of the Holy Infant Jesus. So for the Christian, the figure of Prophet Jesus, of course they believe is the Son of God, right? But of course we don't believe in that. We don't believe that God has a son. In fact, Allah says, no, in the Quran, Surah Al-Ikhlas, right? Kul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad. Says Allah doesn't have a child, nor is he a parent. Allah is not a mother or father, not even a child. So, but they believe in the infant Jesus is holy. We also believe that Prophet Jesus as a baby did miracles. You know what he did, right? In the Quran, he he talked to the people as a baby, you know, because when the mother, Prophet Jesus, came back, she was carrying the baby and she didn't have a husband. And say, what do? You do something, you have with a boyfriend and whatnot. He says, no, I did not. And all she did was she pointed to the baby, and the baby started to speak. And the baby says that he is a prophet and a messenger of God. And that was
But how he know?
Allah gave him. So this is Allah gave him that special ability. If you want, I'll show you the verse later. Okay. But now let us go. Hello, Naomi. Okay, can we try question number 2? Question number 2. Must be able to do this because this. Who are lagging? Who's lagging? Amara, am I lagging?
A bit.
A bit. Okay, I will go out then. Okay, I will go out. Well, I'll try using my handphone. I will use my handphone Wi-Fi. Yeah? Because sometimes this, I do not know this internet. No. Sorry. Okay, I will try to use the hotspot of my. Okay, if I'm lagging, you tell me.
You know when you put permanent marker on your whiteboard, you know how to erase it?
You write on top of it again, is it?
No.
Do you do that?
I mean, yeah, you write it on top again, but you use a certain marker.
Okay, let's see now. We have answer from
Nayumi, Amara.
no Amara. Congratulations, Amara. Well done. So you're the only one who has gotten this. You're even better than Kaka Umaira. So I do not know whether Kaka Naomi is gonna think up. I have to go outside because the Wi-Fi is not so good. Okay. Come. What about the rest? What about the rest? Come on. Asking my mama. Okay, come. Umaira, what's the answer? Just tell us, Umaira.
Okay, my answer.
Umaira doesn't know.
Number.
Is it 1?
No.
Number 1.
No.
What answer is it?
Yeah, it's number 1.
Hey, don't say number 1. Hello. It's not number 1. Number 1 is 6. This is thousands, you know.
Oh.
Okay, look at it. Look, 64,000. How to write 64,000 at a zero? How many zeros? 3 zeros. And then 7 tens. 7 tens is 7 tens. Then add together. You get number 3. You add them together. Okay. I hope it's okay. Naomi also, Naomi. Okay, let's see now.
What's that noise?
So the back, Okay, I will ask. Okay, you try question 8. Cannot hear what you say. Did someone say something? The product. I've got to get my stuff. Okay, anyone? You need to multiply it. This is CHIJ. Let us see. We have answers from product. Yes, it is. It is times. Umaira, come back from behind that girl. Don't be behind that girl. Why and be behind that girl? Come, the product, come. Very simple. Come on, come on. Amara can do, Amara. Can, huh? Just write it down. So your 7th timetable got to be very...
No. Hi.
Hello, how are you? Why you invite your brother inside? You see you're going to lock the door. Huh?
Here's this phone. Close
Phone.
the door. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye. I suggest you bring your brother to Amara's house, and then we have a wrestling competition on Amara's bed that's behind. Okay, come. Question number 8, come on.
But why would Amara wrestle on her bed?
Because even if she doesn't want them to, they are jumping on the bed up and down. Come, boys, girls. There's no boys here.
There's no boys in here.
Yes.
Then why you say boys?
Yeah, normally I would say boys and girls, then I stop myself. It's just girls. Amara, congratulations. She said Amara is the only one. Well done. Amara and Naomi. There's only one girl, the drum set is not doing it. Aduh, the girl, Okay, well done. See? So the answer is number 1, Well done.
Yes.
Okay. You didn't do anything, Umaira. The rest have done. Then you say, she's busy doing other things. Come on. Umaira.
Time to take my pen.
Okay, this one. Can you arrange from greatest to smallest? This is greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. And the clue, if you want a clue, you can make all of them have the denominator of 18. What is Umaira doing? She's not doing her work. She's doing something else. Talking to students. Okay, suggestion is to make the denominators into 18. If you are confused, you just times this by 3, and then you times this by 3. Can you see? Oh, someone has sent the answer. Well done. Who is that? And this one you need to times by 2. You times by 2. Let us see. Oh my God, you must start with the biggest. You start with smallest. You must start with biggest. You have started with smallest. You can just flip it now. Flip it the other way around. Your answer, Imara, you can flip it the other way around. That means she doesn't know how to do this question. I thought she knew. Okay. Yes. So what about Naomi? Okay, well done, Amara. Well done. So down here now, this is 7 over 18. What about the next one? 5 times 3 is 15, right? So this is 7 over 18. This one, the next one, 5 times 3, 15 over 18. And last one is 14 over 18. 7 times 2 is 14 over 18. So the biggest is what? The biggest is 5, 6, which is 15 over 18, right? So 5, 6 is here. Oh, there's also one here. And then the next one, second biggest is 14 over 18, which is 7 over 9. So the answer is number 2. Okay, we try the next one. Okay, which of the fractures is in simplest form? That means you cannot reduce anymore. Let us see. They are not asking you to change the simplest form. They're asking you which is already in simplest form. So you try any of them. If they can be reduced further, that means that's not the answer. Well done, Miss Naomi. Well, Naomi, you're very fast. Well done, Naomi. What about the rest? Where's Umaira? Umaira, you there? Disappearing from the table for so long. What about Amara? Which one do you think cannot be divided anymore? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, to allow Naomi to do the next question, let me see. We have to wait. We have to wait. Okay, Amara, can Amara? Which one is it, Amara? Naomi, just a moment, Naomi. Okay. Naomi, can you try while we're waiting for Amara? Can you try the earlier question 13? Amara can get. What's the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe we go through this one. Huh? Which one is in simplest form? So we try. Is this first one in simplest form? You can divide by 2. You can divide by 2. So this is not in simplest form because you can both divide by 2. This one can divide by 3. This one can divide by 3. Must be same number. Son, again, you can divide by 3 and 3. So cannot be. This one can divide by 2. Divide by 2. You can divide by 3 also. Again, cannot. So most probably is this one. This one can divide by 2, but this one cannot divide by 2. This one can divide by 3, this one cannot divide by 3. So this is the one. All the rest can be divided to bring it to lowest terms. Okay. What is that, Miss? Hey, what happened? Sorry. Sorry. Okay. You can see the screen, right? Can you try question? This is a fraction one. You need to understand this concept. Question 15.
You tell us another story.
Okay, I'll tell you another story after question 15. Okay, just a moment.
Amara, when you're gonna say a story and then you said after 15.
After 15.
Mm-hmm.
You must draw a model for this one, then you can see. Draw a model. You can see. I will just draw a model for those of you who need help. Then you see. So you must label the 84. If you know how to label the 84, you know how to do this question. See, Dorothy gave 4, 7. So altogether, she got 7 units. She gave away 4 units. And she got 84 pence left. Try to find out how many units is equal to 84. Once you know that, you can find 1 unit and then 7 units. Where is 84? You got a label. Can Amara, you know where's 84? How many units equal to 84? Do you know? If you know, you can solve. How many units, Amara?
How much longer until we finish?
25 minutes more.
Oh,
Come turn on your video, Amara.
okay.
Come, you tell me where is 84? How many units is 84?
Wait up, I cannot on my camera. Wait 1 second.
Okay, in case you all do not know, okay, we go through. Amara, are you there? So now she gave away 4 units. This is giveaway. This is giveaway. So the left part is something. This is giveaway. Yeah. The left part. Sorry, under here. The left part is here. This is left. And how many left? Is 84 pence left. So how many units equals to 84? This is 84 lah. Is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. So you need to just do like 3 units, 84. 1 unit is how much? You find out. And then after that, you find out what 7 units are. Okay. Come on, girls. Come on, come on. It's too slow. 1 unit. Okay, I'll show you the division then. Take 84 divided by 3 lah. 84 divided by 3. Really? Oh. Sorry. 84 divided by 3, yeah? 84 divided by 3. You get 2 down here, this is 6. You minus, you get 2. Bring down the 4. 24 divided by 3, you get 8. Okay, so that means 1 unit is 28. So 1 unit is 28. You want to find how many units? You want to find all of them. Why? Because if I ask you how many pens did she have altogether lah. So it's 28 times 7. 8 times 7, 56. Carry the 5. 2 times 7, 14 plus 5, 119. 196, which is number 1. But I do not know whether you are doing that. Amara, so the answer is number 1. Now you must be able to draw this model. Okay, give away 4. Therefore, you got left over 3. 3 units is 84. 84 divided by 3 units, get 28. That means 1 unit is 28. 3 units, 84. 1 unit, you divide, you get 28. And then 7 units, you just times by 7. What times 7? 28 times 7. You get 196. So we go on to the next one. This one, number 17. All right, we got the first answer here. Let's see. And it comes from Okay, let us see. Let us see. Let's see. Now, 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is like this. Okay. This is 1/4 turn, 90 degrees. This is 2/4 turn, 90 plus 90, 180. This is 3/4 turn, 90, 90, 90. So 1/4 turn is 90. 2/4 turn, 90 and 90, 180. 3/4 turn, 90, 90, 90, 270. All right. I hope you get it. We have done this as now, huh? Number 22. No problem, no problem. No. Sorry, yes, too noisy outside.
Who is outside?
Yeah, because they're having a discussion outside now. So, Omara, turn on your video, Omara.
Yeah.
Why don't you want to turn on? That's why normally other classes, everyone turns on video, no? So for next year classes, those who turn off must have very good reason. Otherwise, it's not right now. Because you will influence others to turn off the video. Then I'm going to have a headache. So Myra, I hope you have a good reason for turning off.
I'm going to tell my reason next year.
Next year. Good luck. You want the smallest odd digit. Please don't start the number with a 0. Because you should not do that.
Can I do save?
No. Then the rest how?
I will wait.
Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. You are taking too long. Let's see. Someone has finally sent an answer. But you know, the one who just sent an answer, what is an odd number? Down here, they say clearly an odd number. What is an odd number here? So odd number ends with these numbers. An odd number, the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. That's an odd number. If you end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are even numbers. Ending. So down here, there's 4 digits. So someone has just sent me another answer. Let me see. Who is it? Let's see and whether the answer is correct. Oh, Mara. Let us see whether she's correct. You want the smallest odd number. So odd number, you must end with one of these. 0 is not odd, it's even. 7 is odd, and 7 is only odd number. So you must end with 7. And then you want the smallest digit. So what's the smallest number here? Your 0, but remember you cannot start with 0, so don't start with 0. You can start with the second smallest, 2. And then now you can use the 0. 0, 6, 7. Okay, that is the smallest odd number. Okay, I hope you're okay. Maybe Umara finds it too easy. Umara says too easy. Okay. This one. This one now. We have to go through a little bit of problem sums because normally in our lessons we don't go through problem sums. So here's an opportunity to go through model drawing and problem sum.
Auni is not here. But
Auni, never mind lah. Auni is not here. That's why I didn't start a new topic. I wanted to teach you a new topic actually. But since Auni not here, I'll wait until she's here lah, inshallah next week.
what is the topic about?
Now I forgot that. I remember it's pie chart. That's primary 6. I gotta check. Easy, yeah. If you draw the model, you can see clearly. What's clearly? Okay, remember there are 2 persons. One is Mary, the other one is Sumiti. So Sumitri spends 6 times as much as Mary. So that means Mary is spending just 1 unit. M.
Waste money.
Mary, money.
Money.
Mary is for the money. Yeah, okay. There's some women like that. They marry, they look up for the rich man. Is that what you're saying?
Mary waste money.
Waste money. How do you know she wastes money? I know there's one girl, she likes to buy a lot of erasers, pens, and pencil cases, and expensive stuff,
No, I got expensive.
But how do you know it's you? That means you are the one.
Because I got a lot of erasers.
Erasers. You got a lot of toys, lah. As I was telling you when I was young, I didn't have any of those. I just had one small matchbox car, and my cousin came over, younger cousin, and my parents allowed them to take that toy away from me. And I was just sad. Imagine you have only one toy and it's taken away. But anyway, can you...
He gave you that.
I didn't cry. I just was sad, but I say, it's okay. You can have it. Because that's what my parents said, you see. Yeah, so now where is this? Where are you going to put this 1395?
Now where's your old toy?
Now you're so old, I don't buy toys anymore.
No, where is your old toy?
I only had 2 toys. Okay, one is that thing, that matchbox car. which is given to my cousin. And another one was a doll that someone bought for me. I don't know why I threw it into the dustbin.
What into the bin?
I threw it into the dustbin. I do not know why.
What you throw into the dustbin?
I do not know. I also didn't understand what I was doing. I think I was maybe much younger than you. Maybe
What
like
you throw in the bin?
Ultraman doll. That means Ultraman is very old. No? I'm like I'm 50 already. So that is like 45 years old. I was 5, I think. Okay, so now you need to find out what is 1,395. Where do we indicate this in your diagram? Mary spends 1 unit. Sumiti spends 6 times, which is 6 units. So down here they can see Mary spends. So this must be Mary. Mary is 1,395. Now they're asking you, how much do Sumiti and Mary spend altogether? Altogether is how many? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what 7 units? 1 unit is Mary's, right? 1 unit is 1,395. What 7 units? That's it. What 7 units? Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. We are taking too long. I feel it's too slow, slow, slow. And you know, how do I know when it's slow, slow, slow? When there's an echo, echo, echo. So you need to times by 7 because altogether there's 7 units. So 5 times 7, 35. Carry 3. 9 times 7, 63. Plus 3, 66. 66. 6 here. Carry 6. 3 times 7, 21. Plus 6, 27. Carry 2. 1 times 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So the answer is 9,765. How many of you got this answer? Amara, you get this answer, Amara? Going to get. Going to get. Huh? Umaira, do you get this answer? I'm busy drawing. Okay, lah. What are you drawing? Are you drawing the model? No, I'm drawing a doll. Okay, all right. Okay, come, let's try. Let's try the next one. Come on.
Why would I draw a doll?
I do not know. Maybe you thought model. I say model, draw a model. Says, I thought it's a fashion model. I didn't know it's this model. Okay, but anyway, let's.
Why would I draw a fashion model?
Because I thought you were drawing that girl. Remember this? Okay, now this one. Can
What
you
girl?
try this?
What girl? What girl?
The girl that you showed, the cartoon girl. I asked you, do you draw it? No, I got it from the internet. This girl. Who is this girl? This is like that.
Roast beef.
What's the name? Rosdi.
No,
She's doing like that, right?
no, there was one TikTok video. After they talk, they say this. Roast beef.
Gross beef. Gross. Gross means negative what? Beef.
Roast.
Roast beef. Why roast beef is like that?
Because they like to eat the roast beef.
Come on, we only have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. You know how to do this equivalent fractions. You need to find out what's the numerator, the question mark in the box. Amara, can do Amara? Can not? You must find out from 7 to 14. What number do you times to get 14? Then you times the same number to get the answer. 7 times what equals 14? We have an answer. And this is from Amara. Congratulations, Amara. Well done, you're fastest. I was expecting Umaira and Naomi, but we do not know whether Naomi is online. Maybe she's somewhere else. So this 7 times 2, well done. Wow, Naomi. Yes, congratulations, Naomi. Okay, that means leave Umaira. She seems to be writing a lot of stuff, but what is she writing, Miss Umaira? Then she's smiling in a guilty way, and we know she's writing something else. She's writing a pet message to one of her birds. Is it true? Are you teaching your birds to sing or not? Can your birds talk? One of them can.
I tamed one of the bird, and then another bird I bought from like near the tuition center. You know, there's a pet store.
Oh.
Near the
Oh, the one below. Okay. That's beside the restaurant, right?
One yellow bird. When my blue bird was already tamed and close to me, I could carry it, put it on my shoulder, put it on my head. But now, because I had the yellow bird, now it bites me.
I see. It's jealous lah. It's jealous. Okay, we try question 31. In fact, there was this story of this bird. I do not know, canary or no, it's not canary. Something else. It's one of the parrots or parakeet, is it? I can't remember, but the house was on fire. The apartment was on fire, and the parrot was screaming and screaming and screaming. Finally, some neighbors heard it, and then they called the fire brigade, and they came down. But by that time, the bird was burned to death. But because of its screaming, it saved the whole apartment from being burnt down. I'm expecting to see Umaira cry, but she's just smiling. She's just happy the bird is dead. Okay. All right, come on. Very last question over here is 12:59. 13 pizzas are shared equally amongst 9 children.
When you talk about birds, it reminds me of the other time when I was on staycation, like the other time when I missed your lesson. We went out to have lunch, and we sat down and ate, and then I didn't know I dropped my chicken, and a whole swap of birds came to me. I was so scared for no reason.
Oh my goodness, can you imagine? They are eating chicken. The birds are not eating, they're eating their fellow cousins. What thing, huh? When I was in Indonesia, it was a little bit worse for me because they were giving me chicken soup. And as I'm eating, this is in the kampong, the chickens are around me and they're asking for food. And they do not know it's one of their siblings or has just been slaughtered and made into soup. And they want to eat the chicken. Can you imagine? And I had problems eating the chicken because I'm seeing the chicken and I'm looking at the chicken. I'm seeing and I say, "Tak apa-apa, Pak, terima kasih ya." I did not really enjoy the chicken. So. All right, the very last question, 13 pizzas.
If you didn't enjoy it, then why do you buy it?
I did not buy it. My friend brought me out because they bring me to the kampong area to eat. And sometimes it's difficult to say no. You just say, terima kasih ya, Pak.
Just say, I just finished eating.
I'm going to ask you guys a question, girls a question. Where do birds who are not in cage, chickens who are not in cage live, stay the night? Where do they stay?
How would I know? Chicken farm.
For me, I discovered it in a scary way. One day as I'm walking, I saw eyes looking at me. And I look up in the trees and saw, chickens. The chickens stay on trees. But I thought monkeys stay on trees. No, no. The real kampong chicken, they stay and sleep on the trees. Can you imagine that? Say, Yes. Because there's no coop. What? Coop is like a cage, right? Now there's no coop. They roam around. So they stay on top trees. And sometimes when the weather gets so bad, some of them will fall. Die. Yes, poor thing. So they will be an indicator. But these chickens, they're healthier than your normal chickens. Anyway, let us complete this now. 13 pizzas. 13 pizzas are shared among 9 children. 9 children. So what fraction did each child get? Well, we just need to divide by 9. So how to divide? Okay, do long division. As you do long division, you can see here. 1 times 9 is 9. You get 1 whole here. And you minus, you get 4. So 1 whole, remember 1 whole is here. 9 at the bottom, remainder 4 is here. 1 and 4, 9 pizza. 1 and 4, 9 pizza. That is your answer. It's as easy as that. I want you to find out where chickens really stay. And you find out it's true on trees. I bet you didn't know that, right? They sleep on trees. So, you know, nowadays in our Singapore parks, there's the rooster and all that. Have you seen the wild chicken in Singapore park? So where do they stay? We can find out now.
What do you mean by Singapore park?
No, like for example, near my place, there's a Toa Payoh garden. Inside the park, there's chickens, wild chickens, you know.
Oh,
Don't know that?
botanical gardens.
Okay, so where do they sleep?
On the tree.
More on the trees, huh? Why not on the ground? Because they might have other predators coming in. So on the trees,
What?
predators. Like you might have cats or whatever. How you are sleeping, you get eaten up. So on the trees is more difficult to reach. Okay, I'll see you next week then. All right. Try your best, do your best. Okay, you're going to start school after next lesson, you know. Okay. So Amara, you okay, Amara? Amara, tomorrow make sure if you attending, please don't ask your brothers to come in. You see, now you can focus better. Otherwise, at night, I see them jumping up and down, and then you are fighting with them.
What do you mean by us seeing her tomorrow?
Yeah, because she has an extra session tomorrow. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
By
Bye-bye.
herself?
Arya, can you see the brother behind? Can
By
you see?
herself? By herself?
Not by herself. With the rest. Okay.
What do you
Assalamualaikum.
mean by with the rest?
The rest, there's another class. You also have another class Tuesday, what? Okay, bye.
Bye, Chum.
Bye.